Okay, the third questions, this is from Brother Awaf, yeah, in Swiss. He said that we had a vacations to some of public place, and then in that public place there are a kinds of stove, right, for cooking.
Yeah.
So he said that he would like to use that stove. However, he was afraid that some of non-Muslim before had already used that stove for cooking pork, for example, or something haram, right? So is it permissible for us to use that kinds of pots, or in order maybe to purify that stuff, is it enough by fire, or we have another ruling, right?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Actually, the pork or the pig, this is the animal who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran that it is najasa.
Yeah.
So for the grill, to make a grill,
Right.
when you come to this place, if you believe 100% that this before you there is a people from Christian or another place, they're using this, to clean it by the fire is not enough. Cannot.
Yeah.
It have to be by the water. And it's better to not use it if you know that this have been used before, but it is clean, because this is many times the non-Muslim, they are using it. This is, if you're going to use it and even you know it is clear or clean, the fuqaha said, the ulama said, this is, can use it, but it is makruh. This is when, if you know that this is 100% it's clean, but
right.
if you suspect that this is not clean, and maybe they use it and they didn't clean. So if you want to use it, it's okay, but the fire is not going to, is not going to make it tahara. You have to use the water.
Water and also earth, right? Part of the earth, I think.
Some of the ulama, they said, we going to, this thing, we have to use it like the hadith of Rasulullah for the dog. إذا ولغ كلب أحدكم في إناء فليغسله 7 مرات إحداهن بالتراب.
No.
Some of the ulama, they said there is no difference between the pig and the dog. So you have to wash it 7 times by the water. One of this washing, it have to be from the mat.
Right.
But this is not all of the ulama, they said that. Not all of the ulama. The fatwa for the ulama, they said it is enough for this, just to wash it by the water, and it is going to be enough, the water. Maybe even if it is one time going to be clean, it is enough. Yeah. The important, we have to make sure that there is no oil from the pig or anything else in this place. And this question, actually, exactly the Sahaba asking Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Abi Tha'laba al-Khushani, he is one of the Sahaba. He is saying in the hadith, this is the hadith Rawahu al-Bukhari wa Muslim, and Bukhari wa Muslim and Abi Dawood. He said, in one day we coming to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, we asking Rasulullah, Ya Rasulullah, we are the neighbors sometimes mixed with the Christian, or we are the neighbors of the Christian. They are cooking in the saucers and the places, and they are cooking some of the pork, also the pig. So what can we do? And Rasulullah ﷺ said, it's better you not eat from this. It's better you not eat from. But if you want to eat from that, you have to clean it. But he said by the water.
Yeah.
So the ulama said, when Rasulullah ﷺ said, it's better not to eat from this saucers, it means it is not haram. Because Rasulullah ﷺ allowed to them after that to wash it by the water, and you can use it after that. But this is going to be makruh. Makruh.
Yeah.
You know, in the Islam, we have wajib, mandub, makruh, mubah already. So this is become makruh. Yeah. So the answer for that, can use it, but you have to wash it by the water to make sure it's...
And better not to use it.
And better not to use it, yes. And the fire is not enough.
Okay. Yeah, Jazakumullah khair, Sheikh.